Do your leads sometimes feel like a roller coaster? You know, you're doing well, you're getting leads, and all of a sudden you stop getting leads and it downturns again. And that's probably due to one of several reasons. But a big reason is that there's no system, no process behind it. The truth of the matter is that for over 30 years now, I've been helping small businesses improve the effectiveness of their sales and marketing. Now, throughout that time, I've found one thing to be very, very true, and that is that all marketing works. And when I say that meaning that each and every type of marketing works, but it doesn't always work. You with me? So let me give you an example. So if you looked at email marketing, that can be done really well, and it works like clockwork, creating hundreds of thousands or millions of pounds worth of business, or it can be done really badly and create no business. The same with LinkedIn, the same with Facebook, the same with Google Ads, the same with going networking, the same with having a referral system, and so on and so forth. So it's not the strategy, it's not the LinkedIn, email, website development, or whatever. It's the process, it's the system that's at fault. It's what you're doing to market your business on LinkedIn, through email, through networking. And I'm running a series of events. They're called Results Mastery Live Events. And the purpose of the event is to help you, small business owners, to get the most out of your marketing. Basically, they're called Why Most Marketing Doesn't Work and What to Do About It. That's ultimately what it's about. So if you find that your marketing's on a roller coaster, or perhaps it's not working at all, then this is definitely an event that you should attend. It's free of charge. And just go to my website and find the link to the events page. You'll find it on there. You can get yourself signed up. It's on Zoom, so there's no traveling. It's 45 minutes. And if you look around this video somewhere, there'll be a link to it anyway. So thanks ever so much for listening, and I look forward to hopefully meeting you on the event. Thank you.